Hi, everybody. Jim Mazziotti here. Today is Monday, and the reason I'm doing this very quick video today is because when I thought out how to help you build your business plan for 2013, it went beyond just doing the 2-hour planning session that we did on December 15th. I actually had in mind to make it a 30-day long, 31-day long period of time that we would set the stage, so to speak, for you to set your goals. So as you know, I started with 15 days of quotes and some thoughts on setting goals before we had the session on December 15th. And of course, from now until December 31st is the time for you, and hopefully some of you have gotten started to build your business plan for 2013. So I had in mind when I started this that I just wouldn't leave you hanging, that I would help you in any way that I could build your business goals. You see, so many of us, so many agents don't even set goals. And I think a lot of them don't set goals because they don't know how. They haven't had any help in doing it. So I want to help you. I want to make sure that you have a way and the knowledge and the step-by-step process to build your goals and to have them by December 31st. Because as you know, doing these goals, having it on paper is a requirement of our regional owners. It isn't something that you can do or can't do. You have to do this for our regional owners. And it's part of the accountability that they see is necessary for all of us to do business. If you had a retail business, you would know that you would have to plan for your year ahead of time with inventory, for taxes, for marketing, for everything you have to do. So that's what we're going to do. So starting tomorrow, I'm going to help you with what I call the 11 days to building your 2023 business plan. And each day starting tomorrow, I will take one aspect of building your business plan directly from our December 15th session. So you all were able to download the booklet that I created for you that really was from Tom Ferry and Joe Stump and Rick DeLuca and the Rev Real Estate School, Exit Realty Corporate, Justin Stoddard, others. It was part of a ripoff and duplicate, as you know, that I, along with Tom Ferry, believe in. So starting Tuesday, I will take you through each step of that business plan that we talked about very briefly on December 15th. So starting tomorrow, we're going to talk about, your desired reputation. We're going to talk about what you're going to keep doing, stop doing, start doing. We're going to start there and we're going to go for the next 11 days. And I'm going to help you take care of getting your business plan on paper. All right. So I'm sending this video out today, and I will do these videos on YouTube. So you can go to YouTube whenever you like at a time that works for you. Even, for instance, on Christmas Day, I will do a YouTube that I'll make available to you. And if you have some time to work on it while the rest of the family maybe is eating and are sleeping or watching ball games or doing something, you can. So stay tuned for the next 15 days. I'm going to help you get this business plan put together. I just didn't give it to you and leave you. I'm going to work through this for you, and I'm available to answer any questions you have. So tomorrow, Tuesday, let's get started. I'm right along with you. I'm doing the same thing as you, and I will share some of what I'm doing with you that might help you do what you need to do to set your business plan for 2013. So I'm so glad to be able to do this over this holiday season, and by December 31st, you will have a business plan for 2023, and you will have something that is on paper that you can put in to process and make it work for you, because we want you all to have a minimum of 8 transactions in 2023. It's just the minimum we want for you, and you can go way beyond there. Some of you already are, but some of you need to get started, and writing it on paper is the first step, and I'm going to help you. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.